with a range of in-house developed products. HIMA are at the forefront of innovation. Our control, safety, and communication systems are designed to be intelligent, cost-effective, safe, and totally reliable. We handle every aspect of your project from initial concept to design, engineering, and commissioning of bespoke solutions, preceded by ongoing support, consultation, and maintenance. A seamless integration process ensures minimal disruption and maximum efficiency for your mainline and light rail operations. Our mobile solutions center around our track-to-train communication hardware system. The TrackLink reader can be fully integrated with TCMS equipment on any vehicle. Paired with the versatile and accurate TrackLink beacons, we offer many ways to enhance rail safety critical control systems. Starting with platform safety, automatic selective door opening systems, or ASTO, play a crucial role in determining which doors should be able to open at each station. Our ASTO controller contains a database of stations along the route, using geofences and tacho inputs to identify the vehicle's location. For stations with varied platform lengths or unreliable GNSS coverage, TrackLink beacons provide the necessary data. Using these information streams, the controller communicates with modules on each vehicle to release the correct number of doors. The flexibility of our systems allows us to provide tailored solutions that best fit each customer, considering factors such as existing onboard technology, route geography, and commercial considerations. And platform safety continues with correct side door enabling, or CSDE, ensuring that only the doors on the platform side of the vehicle are able to open. This system is vital for passenger safety and efficiency, reducing the time vehicles spend at platforms. The systems are adaptable to different vehicle and platform configurations. TrackLink system uses passive beam-powered radio frequency ID devices to transfer platform-specific data. Now in its third generation, the TrackLink beacons eliminate the need for power cables or batteries, offering a seamless solution for ASTO and CSDE in any location. As rail infrastructures progress towards greater efficiency and sustainability, we're leading the way with our APCO system, facilitating automated power changeover. This provides precise location-based control via TrackLink beacons for switching power feeds at speed, eliminating the need for braking and accelerating. This improves fuel efficiency. Looking to the future, APCO will allow hybrid vehicles to run on rail networks with varying compatibility. We pride ourselves in being the safest in the market and offering our customers robust solutions to improve the safety performance of their fleets. Our pioneering TrackLink Overspeed Prevention System, or TOPS, continuously monitors the vehicle's speed. And in the event of overspeeding in a speed-restricted or predefined high-risk area, the TOPS controller will interrupt the power to the safety relay, resulting in full service brake application, and will bring the vehicle to a controlled standstill. The HIMA TOPS delivers unprecedented accuracy. The TrackLink beacons are accurate up to 1 meter, far exceeding the precision of GNSS alternative overspeed systems. Trust proven rail expertise in the seamless integration of high-value, efficient and sustainable systems to rail vehicles for a lifetime of functional safety excellence. And best of all, our beacons can be used for multiple solutions simultaneously. Smart solutions for the digital railway.